everyone, reading from TCC. This is practical 8 from this video, generating report and printing the report from the patient database, which is again based on the same practical which we have completed in the practical number 7. If you haven't seen that video, then kindly I will ask you to see the previous videos first and then come to this video, practical number 8. So let me go to the database access file. So we are here. In the previous video we saw like how to create the form. Now let's close this form. Okay, we are seeking to create a report. So basically, we collect data knowingly or unknowingly daily, and of course end of the day or by end of the week or by end of the month, okay, we need reports, okay, for doing analysis purpose, so we can make the decision for the future. Anybody can ask you any particular detail, like tell me like how many patients came, and like specific to gender or specific to which particular doctor they wanted to meet or where they have come from, something like that. So in Access we have got that tool also to create the report, okay, according to your need. Let's see how to do that. So before I do that, let me just enter a random record for just like one more record mentioning the gender female, so that it will help you out to understand. So let's say Stanza, and then some middle name, say Tom, and then say then Dave, and some number, address. Now this time let me choose the gender female because I'll be showing you the report thing twice, okay, and say again ABC, and then click on any particular random date, just date of birth, okay. So now the table is ready with the 4 records. So now let's go to the create tab here, okay. Here is the report section, you will be there, report wizard, so click on it. Now they're asking like which things you want to present on the report, like which particular fields you want. Like I'm like, okay, if I want first name and only last name, like that, so let's select first name and then click on last name. I need a mobile number so that I can contact them again. I need gender also, okay, and of course doctor name to whom they wanted to meet, something like that. Let's click on next. Okay, now in the report wizard they are asking, do you want to add any grouping levels, like means this record should get grouped on basis of what, something like that. I can say yeah, I want the thing should get grouped on the basis of gender. So of course I can make a group like how many males and how many females were there, and accordingly data will get displayed. Let's go ahead, click on next. Even you can keep on adding the grouping levels. So again under gender you want to, again you can make a group based on a particular field, okay. So let's click on next, and then they are asking if you want to sort the record, you can do that, okay. So sorting will be done on the basis of what, okay. Suppose you see we are making a group of gender like male, right? So you can see here the first name is like Tom, Jerry and John. Of course J comes first before T, so we want like it should be sorted according to the first name in ascending manner. You can even choose the descending by clicking on it. Let's go back to ascending and then click on next. The next thing they will ask again the layout for the report, whether you want stepped, whether you want block, whether you want outline. So let me choose this outline. You can explore on your own like what happens in stepped and block, and even you can choose the orientation whether you want in landscape or portrait mode, and then click on next and then say preview the report, of course finish, and you will see here the grouping has been done based on gender. So there was only one female, okay, and she visited Dr. ABC, and male were like Jerry, John and Tom, and of course you can see here that this record also have been organized in a ascending order. After like Jerry comes first, then John, and then Tom, and then the doctors. You can keep on creating as many records as you want to. Let me do it once again. So let me go to the patient table, click on create, and then say go to report wizard. Now say what you want. Again you want first name and then say last name. You need mobile number, and then this time you need address also. This time you don't need gender, but you need doctor name, say, just for example. And now the grouping should be done based on the doctors. So we are trying to find out like which particular patients visited which particular doctor. So doctor wise grouping will be done. Click on next, and then ascending or descending, choose a particular option. Then on first name it should get sorted, and then click on next, and this is the step. Okay, let me click step now, this time next, and then say finish. So now you will see for Dr. ABC 2 patients were there, John and Sansa. For Dr. DEF only Jerry, and Dr. PQR Tom. So this is how the reports get generated. You simply have to take the print. Okay, go for the printing, press Ctrl P. Okay, and it will ask you. Okay, you can select the printer and then simply click on print. This report will get generated, printed, and you just simply sign it on, like sign on it and submit. So this is how we create the report in Access. Okay, that's it from this video.
That's all guys from this video. If you really like this video, press like button and do subscribe to our channel. If any queries or suggestions, do comment below. For more such updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.